Hey there, bike enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of vintage cycling with a special feature that's sure to spark some inspiration. Get ready to meet Jimmy Hallyburton and his beloved 1993 Ross Minotaur, a bike that's seen its fair share of adventures and has a story to tell. Now, this isn't just any bike, it's a testament to the idea that sometimes, the most meaningful journeys come from the most unexpected places. So, buckle up as we explore the journey of this unique bicycle and the man behind it. First things first, let's talk about Jimmy. He's the founder and former executive director of the Boise Bicycle Project, a non-profit bike shop that's been making a huge impact in his community. Over the years, Jimmy and his team have fixed and distributed over 20,000 bicycles, transforming Boise into a cycling haven. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the stories. Jimmy's greatest joy came from welcoming refugees to his hometown with a bicycle, a symbol of freedom and opportunity. And that's the kind of impact this bike has had on his life. Now, let's talk about the bike itself. The Ross Minotaur, a 700cc hybrid from the mid-1990s, was donated to the Boise Bicycle Project in 2015 in a state of disrepair. It had a stuck seat post, a bent front fork, and a perfectly faded neon green paint job. But Jimmy saw potential. He rescued the frame from the recycling pile and set out to bring it back to life. Over the years, this bike has undergone a transformation, with half a dozen different handlebars and countless rack/basket/bag arrangements. During the pandemic, Jimmy taught himself how to brace, adding a diag tube from a wrecked Bridgestone and some internal cable routing. The result? A bike that's been ridden from Boise to the Oregon coast, across the Elbert Desert, and on thousands of miles of logging roads in Idaho, Oregon, and Nevada. It's Jimmy's daily commuter and a trusty companion for his mellowish dirt road adventures. And here's the cool part, despite the upgrades, the bike still brings Jimmy the most joy. He values the creative canvas and the value that all steel bikes can offer, especially with a 700cc hybrid that can accommodate a 47mm tire. It's a reminder that fancy tech and expensive parts aren't always necessary for meaningful adventures. Jimmy's passion for cycling goes beyond the bike itself. He's a teacher, a community leader, and a three-term Boise City Council member. His love for bicycles and building a stronger community is as alive as ever. And he's not just a wordsmith, he's also a photographer, sharing his bike adventures on Instagram. His goal is to make bikepacking/camping/touring more accessible, showing that regular people can have a lot of fun with regular bikes and gear. So, what's the takeaway here? Start with what you have, do what you can, and learn a little each time. Jimmy's story is a testament to the power of creativity and the joy that can come from bringing old things back to life. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most meaningful adventures are the ones that start with a simple idea and a willingness to explore. And that's the beauty of cycling, it's a journey that's as rewarding as it is exhilarating. Thanks for joining me on this ride. If you're inspired to share your own bike story, head over to our website and submit your bikepacking rig. We can't wait to see what you've got. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more amazing content. Peace out, and happy cycling.